NHP 4000 and 5000 are Doosan's latest high-productivity premium 400mm and 500mm pallet horizontal machining centers. Equipped with high-speed built-in spindle and extremely fast 1G axis acceleration and deceleration. To provide top-of-the-line productivity, NHP 4000 and 5000 are equipped with standard 15,000 RPM, high-speed built-in spindle, and also have 2,000 RPM option. The travel axes have standard 1G acceleration and deceleration speed. In addition, it has a high-speed disc-type magazine. To ensure high-precision machining, NHP 4000 and 5000 are standardly equipped with multiple thermal stabilization features. Shaft and bearing cooling systems help keep fast-moving axes at a stable temperature. Though the customers can select high-torque 303 Nm, 15,000 revolution per minute version, or a high-speed 20,000 revolution per minute spindle, the standard 15,000 revolution per minute spindle has 30 kilowatts power and 230 Nm of torque. 1G acceleration-deceleration on all X, Y, and Z axes significantly enhances productivity, allowing for up to 25% increase in productivity from the previous model. The new disc-type magazine design allows high-speed tool changes to minimize non-cutting time. This design also reduces vibration to ensure more stable operation than the previous models. Engineers have invested countless hours to design and test index and rotary table to achieve up to 27% faster indexing time. Optimizing the construction of the machine, NHP is able to handle larger and heavier capacity workpieces. The machining area has been expanded by 18% and up to 700 kilogram parts can be loaded. NHP 4000 and 5000 have a center-through bed design to remove large volumes of chips efficiently. Compared to previous models, the footprint has been reduced by 15%. The three-point leveling design makes machine installation and maintenance much more convenient. NHP 4000 and 5000 can become one of the key workhorses to grow a customer's business. NHP allows users to take their manufacturing skills to the next level with its fast, precise, powerful, and versatile capability to meet demand in diverse manufacturing industries.